Kristen Boyd, Double D Windstorm DLD, proceed at a working walk. Cherry Acres, Class 103, 105, dressage, suitability, and equitation. Working jog, please. Working jog for 15. Oh, nice. Transition to working walk. And free walk, please. Return to working walk. Reverse working walk. Return to the rail at a working walk. Working jog for 10. Briefly walk and halt. Halt for 5.